Okay. So this is our PowerPoint editor within the Honeycomb version of Quickoffice Connect Mobile Suite HD for Android. And what you're looking at here is an editing mode where I can see my file sort, my slide sorter over here. We integrated fragments where you can actually touch and hold and reorder slides very easily within the application. So it's easy to do that. I can go back in and actually come back in and make some edits to the just one tab, and I'm making edits to the presentation. We've integrated some features that let you edit within other boxes, as well as editing shapes as well. So I can double tap a shape and we can do some resizing, we can do some moving, things like that. I can remove as well. And so I could also take a picture here, so I can insert from the gallery or insert from camera. So we've integrated with their the operating system's gallery and the camera on the device, so we can actually take an image with the camera very easily. And smile. And now we're right back here. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna go ahead and that's now in my presentation, and I can then resize this image very easily and move it around where I wish. And so that's and then we can go into when we're done with our edits, we can go into presentation mode here. And so when I do this, I can now control with simple flicks, control the slide presentation, as well as use the HDMI out to present with that. And then I can, if I touch, I can pause the presentation. It will play automatically if I choose to, or I can just choose to manually operate that. So that's pretty much some of the main features of PowerPoint. Go back to our file manager here, and you can see we have integration with cloud storage providers that we're integrated with, so you can access multiple cloud storage services, and include those as device locations where you can store files. You also, within the file manager, you can drag and drop as well, so you can move files around very easily. So we use some designs that we've used before, so I can move or copy files that way. This is where I'd also create, so I can create new Word documents, I can create Excel spreadsheets, I can create PowerPoint presentations, 2003 to 2010 format. So I'll open up a sample document here. And so within the document here, I'm looking at a multi-page document. If I hold my finger down over here, I can navigate through thumbnail previews and jump to another page that I see to do some editing to that. We also integrate with text-to-speech, where it'll recite the document to you using Google Voice, or you can use speech input as well to dictate to the document when you're ready to input text. So you can do a selection of text. We've also integrated contextual web search. So this is one of the things that we've done with the context action bar. You can see it changes when I select the text. Now I have different options up here to copy, cut, paste, format, and I can do a web search, jump right in my browser and do a web search on that, and it'll use Google to search the web and pull up the results for me. Or I can come back in and do some formatting. Open the format menu, change my font sizes, colors, styles, as well as alignment, so I can change the paragraph alignment, drag to center, drag to right, bring back left. It's very easy to do. And then I have a way to pinch zoom, obviously, to see more of my file. I can zoom in to read it very closely as well, to get some detail. And so that's Word. I'm going to go back and do my changes here. I'll go back and do a little bit of a spreadsheet as well. So I'm pulling up a simple spreadsheet here. That's one of the sample files we're using. Again, pinch zoom control. I can resize my columns and rows very easily. We have formulas built in, about 140 formulas and functions within Excel that you can use. So here I can maybe do another formula down here, and I'll select this, and I can go to recent, or I can search. So I can hit this and hit sum, and you'll see it'll pull up a search on that. Sum, so okay. From here, then I can then select the cells that I want to highlight, and just drag. I don't know what I did. I think I messed up. I think I tapped the wrong thing. So formula functions built in, inserting columns and rows. Again, cell formatting as well, so I can come back and do format menu if I can change cells, change the number styles, change the number format as well. Things like that are built into Excel. And then from here, if I want to save a document, I can come back and we have a share where I can go and send this to somebody, or send it as an attachment right to the email. So I can say, yes, I'm going to do this, and say, save.
Does it support any macros?
It does not support macros, but it retains those in files. So there's some things that you wouldn't see necessarily rendered here in this version of the application, but you'll get it's retained in the original file format. So when you bring it back to a machine in Microsoft Office, the format that's still intact. So that's something we've worked on doing. We can't display all of that here. So I can switch sheets as well. I'll show you examples real quick. And so if I get back in here, one more, we have a PDF viewer as well. It's built in, so I can come in here and view PDFs. It's a very smooth operation. I can search terms within the PDF as well. So you get your search bar up here, and you can search for the, and we'll just go through and it'll highlight all those, and I can go through my document, keep searching for those. And then also I have again pinch zoom capabilities as well through this. So we zoom in pretty good and getting a shot of the text and areas. So that's about it. Again, it's something we're still working on. It's not released yet. We'll be out soon, and hopefully we'll see it in the market, in the near future.
Great.